that's very strange is I think your Slack notifications come through Zoom.
What do you mean?
I hear your Slack notifications through Zoom.
Oh, that is weird.
I don't know why.
Yeah, that's very strange. Maybe it picks it up. And then
Like someone was calling you on Slack right now or just a minute ago.
oh no, that was not me.
Oh, that wasn't you. Okay.
No,
But I think every once in a while, like the little ding noises when you get like direct messages or something.
Oh yeah, you get it's like the brush or whatever. So I did get that. Here, I'm gonna make you a co-host. Yeah, but I didn't get like a call, so it shouldn't have sounded like a, what do you call it, telephone?
Yeah, I don't know what the issue is, but.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, I just realized I need to update this to remove the events that have already occurred. However, the summit content is in fact on or going to be on the YouTube channel. So that's, I think, exciting. And so if you just go to youtube.com and search for Code for America, I know some of the sessions, they're already up. And then other sessions, you can wait and see. If you subscribe and then click the bell, you get a notification. And then you can also, while you're at it, subscribe to the Code for Boston YouTube channel and make sure that you are able to get into the announcements every single week without having to log into Zoom if you prefer to do it that way.
I wonder if everyone's like, it's warm outside, so I'm not going to stay inside today.
Yeah, it is very nice out. I will say it is going to make doing project updates very quick and a little bit challenging. Yeah, there's literally nobody on the YouTube stream right now.
It'll be an interesting adventure this week.
People are vaccinated, they just want to meet in person now. That's the rub, apparently. All right. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Code for Boston. My name is Matt, and I am on the leadership team here at Code for Boston, along with we got Alex and Thad here tonight. If you have any questions, need help with anything, feel free to talk to one of us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. The way this is going to work is we're going to have some announcements, and after the announcements, we'll do project updates. And then after project updates, new folks can stay in here, and Alex and I will give you new member orientation. So that being said, please make sure to follow our code of conduct. If for some reason you feel like folks aren't being respectful with you, if there's any particular issues, please do let one of us know, and we are empowered to enforce it. Next, want to encourage everyone to follow our email newsletter and all our other social channels. If you want to, keep the word out about what's going on at Code for Boston, definitely forwarding that email newsletter, encouraging your friends to sign up for it is a great way for them to get it directly into their email inbox so they know what you're up to. And then additionally, the YouTube channel is, of course, where folks can watch the announcements every week if you don't want to have to log into the Zoom. We also will post on the Twitter and other things every once in a while as well. Also want to encourage folks to begin practicing your meetup RSVPing. I know some of us are out of practice. You may need to, learn the clicks again and just start committing it to muscle memory. As we think about later in the year, going back and starting to have sort of in-person and hybrid events, RSVPing there is going to be how we're going to make sure we have the list for the folks at the CIC. In the meantime, if you do practice, we get boosted in their algorithm, and that's how more folks find out about us. I keep the latest Zoom link at codeforboston.org/room/CFB. So if you want to know how to log into Zoom, that is, just bookmark that URL and you will always land in the right place. And then, of course, if you are in Zoom but not yet in Slack, slack.codeforboston.org will get you an invitation to Slack where all our community happens every single week. We are a nonprofit, so I want to encourage folks to make their donations online at the Code for America website. We have a lot of folks that support us actually through their employers. So their employer will support their involvement here at Code for Boston, and we're able to accommodate those arrangements as well, whether they have a platform like Benevity or have an interesting, want to sort of advertise positions and sponsor a hack night. And so for that, definitely want to encourage you to reach out to Harlan or I. So with that, we'll do project updates, and we'll start with the Good Governance Project Advocacy Map.
It looks like they're going to be starting late tonight, so they won't be here.
All right. Next, I'm going to go on to Vaccinate MA and just share that we're in the process of, migrating the site into a static website so that can be something exciting for the folks that worked on its portfolio and is a little better preserved going forward. And we're thinking about how we want to celebrate our general accomplishment. Otherwise, we now have the site linking to some other resources so folks can get their shots. But if you have not yet gotten your shot, vaccinatema.com is the place that you can go to find out more information. They are now widely available. Next is Plog Along. Plog Along's off tonight. Clean Slate.
Yep, Clean Slate. We're working on organizing our requests from to Middlesex and documenting some of what we've done. On the app side, we're working on starting up the code for the adult sealing app for sealing criminal records. Are we doing pitches anymore, or pitches now?
If you're doing any pitches, if there's enough folks, they'll have new member pitches at the orientation.
Sure. Okay. That's where we're at. Thanks.
Awesome. Next is windfall awareness.
Thanks, Matt. Oh, I didn't notice I was unmuted all this time. Wow. Sorry for the background noise in life. Windfall awareness project last week reviewed some pull requests, and we also were pitching on the Mattapan mapping. So sort of a mixed event. And we got about halfway through the pull request. It's all about changing from class components to function components in React. So if that sounds interesting to you, welcome to join us tonight. I'm going to take a 15-minute break here, but I will be back and then we can finish reviewing that. And we're also continuing to work on the build stuff. So it's a React project and WebAssembly and JavaScript. Welcome.
Awesome. Thanks, Thad. Next is Police Data Trust.
Yeah, so we're continuing to do some of the work that, excuse me, follows on from solidifying the schema that's going to be shared between all the different members. So yeah, a lot of kind of building the scaffolding of the API and things like that.
Awesome. And last but not least, Mattapan mapping.
So we kicked off last week with a good discussion about work streams and some recruiting of management personnel. And I think that we are going to continue that discussion of how we're going to organize work streams today. And we have a near-term goal of at least something demoable by June 18th. Although probably not the final product. And I can see a couple of my teammates here. I don't know, Stefan, if you want to add anything to where we're at. He's not jumping in. So anyway, so that's what we're doing tonight. And we are looking for new members. We are looking for UX, UI design people. We're looking for people who are interested in data and content. We're looking for people who are interested in mapping and have used mapping tools like Mapbox and GIS and so on and so forth.
Awesome. Thanks, Annie. So that if you know where you need to be, you can head over to your appropriate Zoom. And for all new folks, staying here and happy hacking, everyone.